Hi everyone, my name is Ribun. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you some great ways to get keywords to promote your products, your bubble designs on Pinterest. Then you can use these keywords on the title of your pin, as description, as hashtags of your pin to get more views, to get more sales in Goodwilling. So let's find out these great ways. Let's go. And the first way is from Pinterest itself. Here on the home page of Pinterest, go to the search bar here, and here if you put any word, Pinterest gives you a bunch of the most searched keywords as for the main keyword you have put. For example, if you have a design about a motivational quote, for example, so we can type here motivational quote. Here you will find a bunch of the most searched keywords, long tail keywords, which you can use them in your hashtags in the title of your design to promote Redbubble products on Pinterest. Okay. For example, we can type here unicorn t-shirt. As you see here, you will find long tail keywords as regard of this main keyword, unicorn t-shirt, and it's ranked number 1, 2, 3 according to its search popularity. Okay, so you can use these keywords as hashtags for your pin. Okay, so it is the first way to get keywords, to get hashtags to your product or your Redbubble design. The second way is from Pinterest itself too. Go to create, okay, and here you can create ad, okay, and of course to find this option it's a must to have a business account on Pinterest. Okay, and of course we are not going to create an advertisement, but we can use some features, some tools to grab our keywords. Okay, so click over create ad. Okay, just close this one, switch to advanced ad creation. Okay, step by step. Okay, just we can cancel. Perfect. And herein choose a campaign objective. We can select any one like consideration, okay, formerly traffic, and then go all the way down to continue. Okay, and then you can choose your own, okay, features of your audience. Okay, so we can select. Okay, and then we can go to this interest and the keywords, just click over that. Okay, then go to add keywords. Here we are. So if we put here any keyword of your design or your product, you will find a lot of keywords, long tail and short tail keywords. For example, unicorn, as you see here, unicorn sayings, and it's a search volume, unicorn up, unicorn make, unicorn quotes, I am a unicorn, unicorn colors, be a unicorn quote, and much more, funny unicorn, and so on. Okay, for example, we can search for leggings, as you see here, best leggings outfit, workout leggings, if you want to promote leggings of your Redbubble designs. Okay, cute leggings outfit, cute basic outfits, good leggings, and so on. So if you want to pick out any of these keywords, just go to this plus. Okay, as you see here, like this one, leggings fashion, and see more, cute leggings, casual leggings, best leggings fashion, leggings summer, okay, the best leggings, and so on. Okay, these keywords you can use for your design or your bin you want to promote on Pinterest. Okay, it is for free, of course. Okay, the second way to get keywords and hashtags of your bin. Okay, And the third way to get keywords of your Redbubble designs is Bin Inspector, and honestly it is the best tool to grab keywords of your Redbubble designs and your Redbubble products while promoting on Pinterest. And honestly speaking, Bin Inspector is a bid software and it has a lot of other features like trends generator and pins analyzer and much more. And you can get this awesome tool for just $67, and if you use my link below in the first comment you will get $20 off, and this discount will expire soon. Okay, anyway, for generating keywords of your Redbubble designs, go to this keywords. Okay, and here you can put your seed keyword, your main keyword. For example, unicorn. Okay, for unicorn, for example, if you want to promote iPhone case that has a unicorn design, so unicorn iPhone case, iPhone. So go to generate. As you see, just a few seconds and you will find a bunch of keywords, long tail keywords to use for your pin to promote your product, okay, to get more views, to get more sales and God willing. And you'll find here this rank, the rank of this keyword in the search results on Pinterest. Okay, it's search popularity, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and so on. Okay, so we can just filter this, we can select this keywords, list the 5th rank as you see here for number 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Unicorn phone case, cute unicorn phone cases, unicorn phone case, aesthetic phone case, unicorn pack case, unicorn phone case drawing and so on. Okay, as you see, so you can select this keyword, just to control this keyword, this keyword, this keyword and so on. Just right click and here you can copy, okay, and selected keywords. Okay, and you can use them as hashtags for your bin. Okay, and now let's try another keyword. Just clear these results, clear, yes, go to this box. We can type here, for example, dog lover shirt, for example, just to generate. As you see, these keywords: kids dog lover shirt, dog mother wine lover shirt, dog mom wine lover shirt, and its rank in search popularity, okay, on Pinterest. As you see, funny dog lover shirt and so on. So if we remove this shirt word, okay, just generate, you'll find a lot keywords: dog lovers, dog lover coats, dog lover coats feelings, dog lover tattoo and so on. Okay, as you see here, if you put another seed or another keyword, just search for specific keywords. Okay, and now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video and goodbye.